ETL, ELT, or ETLT? Which one's better? Let's find out. Okay, first, if you haven't watched my video on ETL, watch that video right here at this link. Now, let's talk about ELT for a moment. ELT is extract, load, and transform. So we do ELT in order to process large volumes of data, to be a little bit closer to real-time data. There's some CDC applications here. A lot of times when you're doing ELT, you're putting the data into a data lake. And so when you're doing this, because you're doing the transform within the lake, you're leveraging the scalability and the flexibility of the data lake within your cloud ecosystem. So there's a new methodology coming out called ETLT with a little t. So ETLT, basically E is still the extract piece. Little t is doing some light transformations within your pipelines or within your extract process. And then you're going to load the data into your data house, your lake house, or your data lake. And then you're going to do the rest of the heavy lifting transformations within your data lake or within your data warehouse. ETLT, new concept, new methodology, and we're going to dig into some pros and cons of each of those three different methodologies. Starting with ETL, let's talk about the pros. First off, we have consistency and quality, integration of complex datasets, clearly defined architecture, and easy to implement business rules. Next, ELT. It supports large data volumes, improved development and operational efficiency, cost effectiveness, scalability and flexibility, and ease of integrating new tech. The pros of ETLT: we have real-time data processing, support for complex data sets, decreased cost, flexibility and scalability as well, performance optimization, as well as quality and governance. So now let's talk about the cons. The cons of ETL are lack of real-time reporting, increased hardware costs, limited flexibility, increased maintenance, limited support for unstructured data. The cons of ELT are limited real-time support, increased data storage cost, quality issues, and it's dependent on the target system capability. Finally, the cons of ETLT: complexity, dependence on target systems, your ability to manage and monitor your data flows, increased change management complexity, dependency on tools and platforms. That's a wrap for today's show. Tell us in the comments below what you think of ETLT and how it'll impact data engineering. Like and subscribe to stay up to date on tools, tips, and terminology about data engineering.